The pandemic here at home has huge costs in terms of lives, in terms of the economy, and so protecting this country from what can happen, the variants we've seen around the world, that is a very, very important part of managing this pandemic. Now, thankfully, because of the vaccination program, we've been able to free up a huge number of the restrictions here at home. We're on track to deliver the step 4, the further openings, on the 19th of July, which is good. But we're also looking to see how we can replace the protections that are currently there with the restrictions, with protections that come from the vaccine, with respect to international travel as well. But it is more difficult freeing up international travel. We have one of the tightest border control systems in the world, and we have that because we want to protect this amazing progress we've made at home with the vaccination program. Well, this hasn't been clinically advised yet. We're working on it, and we're working on plans to essentially allow the vaccine to bring back some of the freedoms that have had to be restricted to keep people safe. I mean, after all, that's the whole purpose of the vaccination program. When I'm in a position to be able to say something more concrete, then we will do, but it is absolutely something we're working on. It's something I want to see. We can now, all of us, see our vaccine status, see your testing status on the NHS app. And we've seen this massive uptake of the NHS app. And there's two. The one that you use to check into venues, 25 million people have downloaded that. A smaller number, 6 million people, have now downloaded the main NHS app, and on that you can show whether you've had the jabs. And it's important because we know other countries are going to say that they want proof that you've been vaccinated before you go. So when travel is opened up, we are going to make sure people have got that ability to prove it. So if you go into the App Store right now, Kay, you can download the NHS app. It connects up with your GP records. It means that you're more in control of your health data, which is important, and one of the big learnings from the pandemic, one of the things that we're strengthening with the data strategy we're setting out today. But it will also mean that you can see your vaccination status and see any tests you've done recently to be able to help prove that you haven't got the coronavirus. So it's all part of using modern technology to help to manage this pandemic as well as possible.